Hey folks, welcome back to the shop. I figured I'd do a quick video just kind of off the cuff. I was working out here and I was doing something and I figured I'd show you a modification I made to one of the tools I have to make it work better. It might help you out as well if you have one of these. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So I have one of these Princess Auto Harbor Freight cheap Chinese. I think it's considered a 32-inch metal brake. And you may already see, I used to use it quite a bit. You get the bar, you got to clamp it down on here with some vice grips or something with your metal underneath, and then you lift it up, and it's hard to get it to work right. I always struggled with it. The bar would kind of push away as you're trying to bend the metal, and it was just frustrating, so I decided to do something about it. Now, first things you can see are some holes. And what's underneath, I don't know if I'll be able to see. You can't see from that side, but I drilled these holes and I welded some nuts on the back side to give myself some threads. Yes, you'll need a welder if you want to do this, but so that gives me a threaded hole to work with. And then on the bar you put on top, there's holes to go through for some bolts. I made some T-nuts with some flat stock, drilled them on, or welded them on there and so on, so that screws in like that. And then what I did, because this piece liked to flex lots, I had this piece of scrap, small, I guess C-channel, and I just welded it onto there. So now, I've already done a bend. I don't know if you can see. Does a pretty decent bend now before you'd get a very round, not a very precise bend. But it's hard to do because I'm using my phone here, but put your piece of metal under there and then thread this in, get your metal exactly where you need it, thread that down. I just leave these threaded in and I loosen them off and lift up. That one, see, it's just a little bit crooked, but whatever, gets the job done. Thread it in tight enough, and then I'm not going to bend this piece because it's an actual work in progress, but this keeps the bar from flexing. These T-bolts keep the bar from lifting and moving back and forth, and it works quite well. So if you have one of these, you may want to consider doing this modification, and I think you'll be a lot happier with the tool. So until next time, take care and talk to you later. Oh yeah, some shop cats to keep the mice out.